Hey, what's up? We have already tested several dash cams on our channel Tech Brothers, but today we are going to talk about a dash cam with some really unique features. This dash cam is called Jomise K7, and its unique feature is intelligent reminder of ahead car move and traffic light change. Also, it has 1600p resolution at 30fps and Full HD resolution at 60fps, 170 degrees viewing angle, built-in Wi-Fi, mobile app support, built-in GPS, G-sensor, and loop recording. The price of dash cam is $199, but we have $30 of coupon code. The final price with coupon code will be only $139. I will leave the link to Amazon in description under the video, so let's start the review with unboxing. The dash cam comes in this box. I don't even see the logo of Jomise on the box, except this small sticker on the back. There is also no information about dash cam on the box, such as features and specifications. However, later I will tell you about them. Inside the box there is user manual, dash cam, car charger with 2 USB ports and a long micro USB cable. Talking about design of Jomise K7, it doesn't look like the other dash cams that I have tested before. It's shaped like a cube. There is 2-inch touchscreen on the one side and camera lens on the other. We can also read camera specifications such as 2560 by 1600p resolution and f1.6 aperture. On the top there's reset button and microphone. Slot for microSD memory card and speaker are located on the bottom. The dash cam has moving base and it is really difficult to move. This is very good, because the camera will not jerk when you drive on an uneven road. You know, I really like the design of Jomise K7 dash cam, but I am not sure it is comfortable to use 2-inch display. It looks very small. Let's check it out. So the dash cam has touchscreen, and there are many functions available. On the main screen we can see live video from the camera, microSD icon, speaker, microphone and Wi-Fi connection. You can swipe left, and there will be QR code to download app on smartphone. Then there's a loop video, photo and incident video. The last function is horizon alignment. You can quick turn on off Wi-Fi, GPS, speaker and microphone with a swipe down. The dash cam also has a settings menu. Here you can change video resolution, format SD card, change volume level, screensaver, language, read about dash cam, reset settings and reboot device. You know, there are much more settings in the app. Let's install it and check the functions in the app. The application is called Hi Dash Cam, and it is available on both Android and iOS devices. First, you need to download the app and then open it. After that, click on the Add a new device and now connect to dash cam new Wi-Fi network. The password is 12345678990. After you have connected, you can install your own password for dash cam. In the app we can see the live video from the camera. We can also take photo or record video, as well as play back the footage. The settings menu in the app allows changing video resolution and frame rate. You can also turn on the following functions: generate a linked video automatically, audio on when recording, emergency recording, WDR and encoding format. There is a slider to change the volume of built-in speaker in dash cam. Jomise has a standby screen and you can also change it. You can choose from light preview, clock, auto off, custom and clock large. However, there is the option to add your own picture on standby screen. The intelligent functions are parking monitor, electronic fans, intelligent broadcast and horizon. The other settings are standard, such as language, unit, network, parameters, etc. Okay, before watching video samples that I shot on Jomise K7, let's talk about the main functions of dash cam. On the Amazon product page we can see the main features of this dash cam. So the unique features of Jomise K7 are front car move reminder and green light reminder. Later I will check them. The dash cam has 1600p stunning details, Wi-Fi and app, custom screensaver, parking monitoring, super night vision, GPS tracker and gravity sensor. If you are interested, the dash cam uses Sony IMX415 sensor. Okay, before watching video samples, so let's test front car move reminder and green light reminder.
Traffic light turns green.
So the dash cam really tells you when the front car is moving or the traffic light is green. Jomise K7 is a very interesting dash cam. It has good video quality and even some unique functions, such as front car move reminder and green light reminder. The dash cam also has built-in GPS and G sensor, so the camera will record incident video when you leave your car in the parking lot. The price of this dash cam is very attractive, only $140 using a coupon code. I will leave the link to Amazon and coupon code in description under the video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.